Hey guys, happy evening. This is Praveen, and today I'm going to take you all through the economics quarterly question paper, which was conducted on 19 September 2019. And I'm going to give a quick review about the question paper, what it was exactly. The portion for before going to the review, the portion for quarterly examination was eight chapters, and how the marks was distributed. The marks was distributed in this way. If you could see, your 1 mark. First chapter 2 questions, second chapter 4 questions, third chapter 3, fourth chapter 3, fifth chapter 1, sixth chapter 4, seventh chapter 1, and eighth chapter 2. Altogether, put together, it's 20 questions. Okay, if you could see, they are giving more importance to your second chapter as well as your sixth chapter. Second chapter is your national income, and your sixth chapter is your banking. So they are giving more importance to your one is banking is nothing. There is nothing like concept, but if you could take second chapter national income, there are more conceptual things, but they are given more weightage on your second chapter and sixth chapter. No need to worry, both as needless to say that second chapter and sixth chapter are lengthy chapters. Okay, and they have reduced to third and fourth. The third, it's coming to your theories of employment and income, and fourth chapter coming to your consumption and investment functions. Both are conceptually based chapters, so they are given more importance to your third and fourth chapters. So they are given less importance to your seventh chapter and fifth chapter. Fifth chapter is your monetary economics. However, it's an empty chapter. In terms of me, the fifth chapter as well, it's very important. Maybe not for as of now, and for final examination, you may expect many questions from your monetary economics. I do remember there are functions, which is very important there, but they may test on 1 mark as well. Okay, they are given less importance to seventh chapter, as you know, seventh chapter is international economics and nothing much to study in concept, but still they are going to check. That's it, nothing else. Eight chapter though less, but they are given more means weightage to your second chapter and sixth chapter. If you could see in your question paper as well, question paper they are given exactly like your plus one. Yesterday when I was posting my video for plus one, for plus two as well, they are given in your chronological order. First and second question is from your first chapter. Sorry, third and fourth. Third, fourth, fifth is from your second chapter, and third, 6, 7, 8 from your third chapter, and 9, 10, 11 is from your fourth chapter, 12 is from sixth chapter, 13 is fifth chapter, 14, 15, and 16 is from once again 17 is your seventh chapter, 18th is second chapter, 19, 20 finally is your eighth chapter. And many questions very easy, nothing to worry. Maybe 3 to 4 questions are book, and other than that everything is easy book back. And when you have been through a book, at least one textbook, yes, you could have answered very easily. Coming to your 2 marks, so first chapter 1, second chapter 1, third chapter 3, fourth chapter 1, fifth chapter 3, sixth chapter they are never given any questions. And see, if you could remember, 1 mark they are given 4 questions for your 1 mark, sixth chapter, but then 2 marks they are never given any questions from your sixth chapter for 2 marks. 7 to 2, 8, it's once again 0. So what they are given is more importance to your monetary economics. 3 questions ketirukanga, and your third chapter is your theories of employment and income. They are given 2 questions, and seventh chapter is your international economics. Other than that, nothing has been asked. It's very simple questions. All you can see here is that it's like a different question now. See, the questions are like this, very easy, nothing to worry. Nothing like your book in questions. All I can say is that they are, say example, what is devaluation? Devaluation is from your seventh chapter. Okay, devaluation is from your international seventh chapter, but then still it's a book back question. Nothing to worry, everything is book back, guys. Define the term inflation, write the formula for calculating GNP, give the reason for labor retrenchment and present situation, define average propensity, APC ka formula what, delta C by delta Y, define money, what is plastic money, what is monetary policy, what is devaluation, define common market, define macroeconomics. Nothing tough, guys, everything is a easy go. Coming to your 3 marks, 3 marks to first chapter 1 question, second chapter 2 questions, third chapter 2, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1 and 8, 1. So now for 3 marks they are giving importance to your second chapter and the third chapter. Second chapter is your national income and third chapter is your the theories of employment and income. So they are giving more importance to your second and third chapter, and rest of the thing they are distributing equally one on questions. The main thing is that, if you could see how 5 marks, when we saw in plus one, they are given everything. 7 chapters அங்க இருந்தது. 7 chaptersல two questions எல்லா 7 chapters கொடுத்துருந்தான். But இங்க they are done a different, but same, almost same, but still a slight change. First chapter 2, second 2, third 2, fourth 2, and 5 they are giving 3. If you could see, I don't know why they are giving more importance to your fifth chapter monetary economics 3, year 3 and year 3. If you could see the questions which they asked for third chapter is critically explain, no. Fifth chapter is, sorry, I'm very sorry for that. What are the objectives of monetary policy? Explain, which is your 44th question, and discuss the phases of trade cycle, which is very easy. Your recession, depression, and your recovery stage and your boom stage. All the 4 stages you need to explain, which is very easy. And illustrate Fisher's quantity theory of money. Also, okay, it's your formula MV is equal to PT. That is what your Fisher's quantity theory of money says. So what exactly they have done, guys? If you could see, like now they are distributing 5 marks, very important. If you could see this 2 2 2 2 2 3 4, see they are once again giving your less importance to your macro type of chapters, which is your banking and international economics and also international economic organizations. இப்போ இதுல 2, it's your 8, 11, 12, 13, 14 questions. Like if you could see, out of 8 chapters, what I'm trying to say is, for your final examination, people who want to get out of or centum. So what I'm trying to say is that out of 8 chapters, if you could have prepared, planned very efficiently for your 5 chapters, in the 5 chapters, if you could have prepared 2, 4, 6, 9. So what you have to write is 7. So out of 9, if you could attempt 7, if you could at least write 6, you are going to get 30 marks, right? So it is like the very approach of us should be very smart, guys. Here getting marks is a smart way, smart work. So studying all the 8 chapters, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 5 marks, yes, you need to know everything. It is like this, guys. You need to know everything about something and something about everything. So that is what it is. So what I'm saying is that you need to know something about all the 8 chapters, but you need to know everything about your 5 chapters. So in the 5 chapters you prepare ஆயிருந்த 3 chapters in the chapters you ignore பண்ணிருந்தா, which have a very more theory kind of thing. If you could have ignored these things, you could have done a wonderful job here. 5 chapters, so if you could have done wonderful job, so that out of your 11 questions you could have yes, exactly, it's your 11 question. Out of 11 you could have easily attended 7 questions, so that you would have got 35. So this is the review for your quarterly plus 2 economics. Nothing, guys, need to plan. This is a very it's a different kind of approach which they are given. There is a very huge difference between your plus 1 question paper arranging, they have arranged the way, and the plus 2 paper. They are just focus on your 5 marks, 3, even in your final examination. This could happen out of your 12 chapters. You can't study all your 12 chapters and 5 marks and get this is how you need to work. You need to work very smart. You need to know where there are more concepts and study well, that out of 12 chapters, if you could prepare 8 chapters extensively, you'll be getting your out of out. So getting economics out of out is very easy when you plan in this manner, and if you could plan in this very smart manner. Okay, that's it, guys. Nothing else. It's overall, if you could ask me, it's 85% it's an easy paper, and 15% they have asked from your book, and that's once again a easy thing. The main thing which we need to know is that though the teacher is taking with the textbook or without textbook, it's your duty to see the textbook, because see, nowadays they are asking from booking, and you need to be very thorough in your booking. Some teachers may not they may not appropriately say that mark this particular question for your booking, but still what I say is that go through your textbook once, so that if you feel like important, mark, and that will be a question. So booking as well they have asked, and my overall take of this paper is that 80%, 85 to 88% was easy, and 12% was little okay. They have asked, they have tested your concept. That's it, guys. Nothing else. Rocket. All the best. Do well. All the best. Thank you. Bye bye.